Meaning of hydrocarbon.
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 Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is a compound made up of hydrogen and carbon atoms. It is a fundamental component of many organic materials, including fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Hydrocarbons are commonly used as fuels and solvents. They also play a significant role in the chemistry of the atmosphere and are a major contributor to air pollution. Hydrocarbons can exist in different forms, including alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and aromatic compounds. The properties of hydrocarbons depend on their specific molecular structure, which can vary greatly.